In this video, I'm going to be going over how to do drawings number 10 and 11 in your setting up AutoCAD document. So on this one right here, it looks like we have a 6-inch diameter circle. So that means that each one of these circles needs to be 2 inches. So let's draw it. Let's just do a little drawing down here. We know that it is a 6-inch diameter circle. I can keep this circle, that's fine. And let's do another 2-inch diameter circle there. I can just draw a line from this point to here to find the center point. So I can grab a circle. We can go here. I can just delete this out. And then what we can do is we can polar array this circle. We can do it around this shape. And we have 6 of them. Perfect. So what we can do now is let's do a rotate. Let's rotate this around and we can say, let's do a 90 degree. Oh, let's try that again. Rotate 90 degree. All right, so now it matches our drawing right here. Now we need to draw that circumscribed polygon so that each point is at the center point of the other circles. So what we can do is let's grab our polygon. We want 6 sides. We can go to the center here. We want it circumscribed, and we can just get our point directly to those center points right there. Last step for this one is we need to draw a circle inside of there. And we can connect it right there. So that is our 10th shape, okay? We can come over here and let's do our next shape, which is this one right here. As we look at this one, we have a larger center circle, but then we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles going around. And as you can see, like there's 1 and then there's 2, so each one needs to be 3 inches. We have a bunch of lines in this one. We'll come back and do that. So let's start this one off. We can grab a diameter circle. We can do a 6-inch diameter circle. And what we can do is let's just find the center point of that. And we can grab a circle. So what we need to do is we need just 2 circles. So there's one. We can get rid of this line right here, and we can polar array this shape to, actually let's draw one more circle. Let's do this one too. We'll say that this is a 1.5 radius. Let's do a polar array of this circle, and we can do it on this center point. But the thing now is we said we want 8 of them. So let's do 8. We get a cool little design. Let's do close array. And so now that as we are looking at this, a lot is going on right now. So since we've arrayed this, let's explode our drawing so that we can come in and we can trim everything that we need. We can just go around and everything in this middle is needing to be trimmed out. So let's trim all of this out. Okay. Let's look back at our drawing. So there's nothing here. Each one of these little petals right here has lines. The middle ones don't have anything, and then the outsides have them. Okay. So we can go back to our drawing. And it looks like right now we just need to add the lines. So if we look back at our drawing, it says that they are a 1/4 inch between the lines. So we can just start with the top one, these 2 right here, and then we can polar array that pattern. So if we go to our line tool, we can just go from there to there, and then we can go from here to here. And now we can use our offset tool. We can specify that we want it to be 0.25. And what we can do is we can just continue to move it over to the side here. And we can also move it over to the side this way. And then one one more. There we go. So now what we can do is we can come down to this one. We can also do one to each side. And now we can start to trim this. So let's go to trim. We can trim all of those on the outside here. 1, 2, 3. Then what we can do is we don't want any in here. So we can trim those. 1, 2, 3. And then we can trim these ones as well. We don't want these ones. Okay. And then as we look at this, we're a little short right here. So what we can do is we can use a tool called extend, and we can extend that line and we can extend that line. Okay. So now we've done one of them. By all means, if you are wanting to go through and do that individually on all of those, you could. But I think the easier route might be to polar array. So if we zoom in here and we select all of these right here, right there, and we can come down and do these 3 as well. We have these, all of our lines are selected now. We can say, okay, we want to do it around the center point, but you have to remember we did 8 of them. And when we type in 8, it fills in all of those drawings. And now we have completed drawing 10 and 11. So thanks for watching.